Hi, good morning. Nice to see you again. Thank you for popping by. Today's video is a pretty chillaxed video. It is just a bedroom tour video. I've been wanting to do this for such a long time, but I keep putting it off because there's still things that I want to change, still things I'm working on. But you know, at this point I was just like, I'm taking forever, so I might as well just do the first half, and when things change I'll just be updating you when it comes to furniture and things like that. So welcome to my bedroom. That makes any sense. So it's gonna be a pretty simple tour. I'll just be showing you guys my furniture, where I got it from, how much it costs, you know, the huge. At the end of the day, I'm just trying to give you guys as much information as possible so that if you are thinking of changing up anything in your house, you have the information that you might need, or information that might be useful to you. Yeah. And also, because I received comments like this in the past, I'm based in Nairobi, Kenya. So whatever prices I give you, they're all in Kenya shillings. So just know that. Like, I'm not spending $15,000 on a chair. I'm not. It's 15,000 Kenya shillings. Cool. Yeah, so welcome to my room. This is a very simple bedroom. It just has everything that you need: drawers, a bed, a couple of chairs just to be able to relax in if you just don't feel like hanging out in the bed. And it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, here is my bed. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's a bed. I sleep in it. It's great. Love it. So the bed frame itself was actually made by a Fundi on Gong Road, those sides of Dagoretti, but not the same Fundi that I use for most of my furniture. So it was not made by Nicholas. I keep forgetting his name, but I'll put his name down below. And this fabric goes all the way around, covering the entire bed frame, which I love a lot, and he did such a good job on it. The bed frame itself cost around 40,000, and then we had the fabric bought, and I bought the fabric on Mombasa Road at Thailand Carpet, and the fabric for this bed specifically was around 11,500. The material was great. I love the color. It was such good quality. It's like, I absolutely love it, love it, love it. And literally all we did was we found a photo online that we really enjoyed. We showed it to him and he said he can do it, and he was able to do it. He did a great job. The mattress is a mattress. You can just buy a mattress anywhere. My bed sheets are always white. I always have to sleep in white bed sheets. I have a ton in the closet in the next room. I love white bed sheets. They're always rotated every 2 to 3 days. It just makes me feel like everything's clean. Like, I just love sleeping in a bed that I'm just like, so clean. My white bed sheets are either from, so these ones are from Tulale254, Tulale_254, but I also have other sheets from Beddings 123. I'll put all the information down below in my description box in case you want to check them out, but I absolutely love them. Yeah, just clean bed sheets all day, every day. Now this throw right here is from another Instagram page by the name of Smart Lady. Originally when I got this, it was a while ago, so I think I spent around 5,000. It's a really nice throw to just have at the bottom of the bed, and then when it gets really cold we're able to pull it over to warm us up a little bit more. I love it. It's fluffy, it's warm, it's great. Yeah, so that is my bed. Now let's move on to that side over there. Now these are the things that I want to change, just heads up. So this is the side table. We really want to change this. Okay, I really want to change them. I really do not like them anymore. Loved them when we first had them, just not my thing anymore. Yeah, it just has a drawer, the shelf up here, some books, just some old glasses, and I hate wasting glass bottles because we don't have that great recycling situations here. So if I can reuse, I try to as much as I can. So I basically just spray painted it white and then put in some dried stems in there and spray painted those white as well. This light is from House of Leather. It was around 3,000 bob, and we got a matching one on the other side as well. Yeah, like it's Sandra. I don't like it. To me, it's just so, sorry, but this bustier is just not whatever. But the thing that I don't like about this is that I just feel like it's so chunky and just so thick and clunky and I don't like it. Usually I just have a pair of headphones in here for life. Like this needs to be changed. The light really needs to be changed. I'm gonna be changing that as well, but this to me is just what needs to be changed really, really badly. So what I'm gonna do is I'll try selling it on Instagram if anybody is interested in it. Like if you like it, that'd be cool. But I just know mama needs a new one. Like I can't stand this. It's just so weak and not in a nice way. It's just junky without structure. And we also had it made by Nicholas. This was about 7,000 and so is the other one, so both of them were 14,000. Yeah, Kenya shillings. So the mirrors, my bed is a mirror image of the other side, so whatever you see on this side is happening on the other side. This mirror is from House of Leather. I got it on sale for 1,500 and I got the other one as well for 1,500. It was a pretty good sale that day. It was dope. I enjoyed it a lot. Who's calling me? Hi Sheila, I'm vlogging. Can I call you back in 20 minutes? Also, is that my baby? Oh wait, can I show her on my YouTube? Hold on. Look, guys, that's my baby. That's my niece. Isn't she beautiful? Ah, look at those lashes. So these are my bedroom chairs. Now come a little closer. These chairs, both of them were made, again, also in gunwood. These were actually made by Nicholas, my Fundi. Love him, love him, love him. The fabric is also from Tile and Carpet, but it's a different color than what the bed looks like. It's slightly a little bit different, which is what we really liked. Again, great quality. So the fabric for both chairs was around 14,000. To get each chair made was around 15,000 Kenya shillings per chair. Again, you also have to remember, me and Nicholas, we've cut to it. So I'm able to negotiate with him really, really well, but that's the good thing about Fundi. You can always just negotiate with them. So 30,000 for the set, which I think is a great deal. Over here on the ground, I have this basket that I put blankets in. This is from Shkwela. It is a Kenyan brand. I'll put the information down below. That's where I usually get some of my basket purses. A lot of the baskets that I have in my house, the ones that you've seen in the kitchen. Same guys, same people, love her. Yeah, so I usually just put blankets in here for if I'm chilling on the couch. If the bed just needs to get warmer, I'll use the blankets that are in here and then just let them chill down here when they're not being used. So these throw pillows that I have on the chair, these are from Smart Lady Homes. I don't remember the price. I'm not gonna lie to you. I can't remember. I think for the pillowcase for one, it was around 1,000, and if you want the pillow as well, it's around 1,500. I could be wrong. It could be more. It could also be less. I don't remember. I don't be remembering at all. Like at all. I don't remember. But I love it. It's such good quality. Like she's sturdy. And the thing that pisses me off about this is I got pillowcases similar to this from Mr. Freaking Price that came with pillows inside. Like they were cute, but the way they rarukad. Have you ever just been like, the yeah, they rarukad? And I think they were around like 4,000 for each pillow, like 8K, and then they just raruka. What is that idiocy? Anyways, so this I've had it for 2 years. Do you see a rarukaing? No, the other ones are rarukaing, but these are Gucci. Ow. Now on this side we have my plant. What plant is this, you ask? Nobody asked? I don't know, but I think it's in the family of the cactus. Cacti. Cactuses? No, cacti. The cactus. It lives for a very long time. It doesn't seem to ever mess up. It's really hard to kill, and the best part, it's not doing it right now, but it blooms. There was a time it bloomed and I wasn't ready and I didn't know that they bloom. Little flowers came up and every few hours they would spray a smell of perfume that was so divine, darling. Just divine. I was shooketh. I was discombobulated. I didn't know what to do. Anyways, these were bought also on Gong Road. It's just some, like, those guys who just sell plants. Just go to them. If they have a plant that you like, you buy it. Ask them questions. Does it survive inside the house easily? If they say yeah, then it's usually pretty okay. So this rug, if you guys remember, this rug I actually got from my office and I moved it here. I like it more here than the other room. I think it looks great. This I got from Yaya. There was a sale. They always have sales randomly happening down below by the entrance. I don't know where it's from. There was just some people who were selling the rug and I was just like, oh, that's real cute. And I got it for like 9,000. And the quality is amazing. Like, this quality is ridiculously good. And it looks really pretty. So that's where the rug is from. Okay, welcome to this side of the room. This is just one of our drawers. We put clothes and things in them. This piece was also made by Nicholas on Gong Road. He did an amazing job. That's a good thing about Fundis. You literally come up with anything, or you find anything on Pinterest, Instagram, whatever, you show it to them and they can make it for you. You don't have to settle with things that are in stores just because that's the only thing that they have. So I had this made, and this was around 15,000 to have it made. He painted it. We really wanted it to be smooth, clean cut, no handles, so he just has the hole here. I think he did an amazing job on this. I absolutely love it. I think it was completely even worth the amount. Yeah, so this is this drawer. Okay, so up here, this is just a vase, vase. You see this thing, right? I got this from House of Leather for about 2,000 shillings. I absolutely love it. I think it's very cute. I think it's very aesthetically pleasing. I love it. This light also from House of Leather. I think this was 3,500. Also love it, and it's gigantic. It fits up here really, really well. Ignore what's happening back here. So we don't know what we're gonna put back here yet. So what we usually love to do is we just place stand-ins until we decide what we're gonna print out and put on the wall, whether it's gonna be on canvas, it's gonna be on laminated sheets. We don't know. So we just put something that just remind us we need to put something there. This is not it, sis. Just know that. This mirror I got from, what's his name? He did a whole series on his Instagram about how he's moving from his house into a van, so he sold a lot of his stuff. I don't remember. Anyways, he was selling this mirror and I absolutely loved it, and it's such great quality. Even if you hold it, like, this is heavy. Like, she's sturdy. Like, she's thick. Like, she's ugh. And I just loved how vintagey it was. I don't know, I just really loved it. I love it here. I don't like, it's just, it has like just such an old feel to it, which is what I absolutely love about it. Okay, so now we're gonna move to the last drawer, and then I think we're basically done. Oh, curtains. Easily, I don't have a guy. I'm sorry. You just go to Easily, you look for curtains. There's an entire area that just sells curtain material. You find the fabric that you like, they turn them into curtains for you. We got like a bunch of meters just because all of, like, the entire house has the same curtains. I don't remember the exact price. All right, let's move to this side. Sorry about the lighting, it's getting darker outside, so we're just gonna have to go with it. And I'm also trying to crop out some things that are happening up there, so hence this weird camera angle. I got family photos up there, so I just don't like showing that. Yeah, so this is the other drawer set that was also done by Nicholas. It's a one piece, like this and this are one piece. Yeah, same deal as the other one. Very clean cut, smooth holes instead of handles for the drawer. This is a guitar. It belongs to the man's. He likes to play the guitar, so that just sits there until he plays it. So this was made for about 15,000. Love it. Also made by Nicholas, my Fundi. Yeah, and it's also one of those pieces I feel like it's not gonna get tired or old anytime soon, like with the style and everything. So yeah, this is the other baby. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot. So I also have a light in here. So this is from Glow Light Studio. They're based in Westlands 1 West building or 9 West. I'll put it down below if it's one or the other, either 1 West or 9 West. I think it's 9 West. 9 West building on the 2nd floor. That's where I got the entire structure, including the light bulbs from. And then one last thing, wallpaper. If you can see, my house has stripes. It's white, but it has stripes. This is wallpaper. So I don't know if you can see this, but this is a textured wallpaper. So this is fabric, and then this is wallpaper. It's really good. So I got this from Wallpaper Kenya, which is right next to Tmall. I'll put the information down below, including their phone number. So for the wallpaper, that wallpaper was around 1,500 to 2,000 per roll, and for the room we had to use around 6 rolls, and it was installed by the guy who works there, and he charges around 500 shillings per roll to put it up. Was it 5 rolls? I can't remember. You get how much it costs per roll and how much it costs to put it up. So now you just do the math on how much you need in your room. Yeah. Now we're done. So that is my bedroom tour. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope that you got something from it, whether it's like my Fundi guys information, where to buy bed sheets, whatever it is. I hope you got something out of this. If you like this video, please like this video, subscribe if you want to see more of my content. What else? Am I missing anything of importance? Oh, just remembered. Okay, I'm running out of things to do for this channel. So please, in the comment section down below, let me know what kind of content you guys like outside of vlogs. Yes, I'll still be doing vlogs here and there if I do anything. I've kind of just been in the house for the past 3 weeks. I've done nothing for the past 3 weeks, but there's something fun that I'm working on starting next week. But if you guys have other content ideas, please let me know in the comment section down below what you guys would be interested in seeing, the whole shebang. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, see ya.